I've got a group. Let me try this again. I've got a GoPro. A GoPro Hero 8. I got it all set up. Got it working. Testing it out. This is what I was using. This is my Galaxy, it's a Galaxy J36. This is what I was using. And got a camera here and a little camera there. This thing is always telling me that the storage space is running out. Always. Storage space is running out. Some system functions may not work. And one of those system functions is filming, reviewing my videos that I've done on it. Sometimes I can't text. Sometimes I can't get phone calls. Sometimes I can't look at YouTube. What good is a device if you can't look at YouTube? But anyway, this thing's just not really suited for, you know, filming, putting stuff on YouTube. I mean, it's worked really well up to this point, but I need to up my game. I need to actually get things going a little bit better. I need to make better YouTube videos. I need to put more YouTube videos. I need to upload more YouTube videos. I need to get off my lazy little rear end and get busy. So what I've been doing today is I've been basically just playing with my GoPro camera. I set up my head mount, did my chest mount thingy, walked around, did some videos, looked at this, looked at that, tilted it this way, tilted it that way, trying to figure things out, just trying to make it work. Trying to figure out, going forward, will I be able to do better quality, more entertaining videos? Will I be able to have more views and more subscribers? I don't know. I'm thinking that just maybe, I can use this tool called GoPro Hero 8 and actually have better quality videos and be able to, you know, attract more subscribers and viewers. So that's what I'm doing today. That is what I'm doing this week. I've got a lot of projects to work on, And now that I've got me a good GoPro, hopefully I can make that work. Hopefully I can do these projects, make some videos and post them to YouTube. And I've also been investigating Odyssey. I don't know if anybody's ever seen Odyssey, but I've been investigating Odyssey to see if just maybe I might want to lean towards Odyssey a little bit more. Or I don't mean a little bit more. I haven't actually used it yet, but I'm curious. Will I be wanting to veer away from YouTube? I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm investigating, I'm doing my research, I'm doing my due diligence, I guess you could say. And I'm trying my best to figure things out so that going forward, I will be able to actually, maybe, be more productive. Not just on my projects, but also on my YouTube, my video uploads, with my channel, and also possibly on another platform as well. So give me some advice. Anybody out there that sees this and has you know, their own YouTube channel or whatever, you know, and you know, uses the GoPros, give me some advice on how to use these things and how to set them up properly, how to actually, you know, be a little bit better at my daily activities using the GoPro, my productivity using the GoPro, ideas on different things that I could do. Supposedly this thing's supposed to be waterproof and I could put it under the water. I might just do that because I got a few places I'd like to investigate to be able to see if I can go fishing. And maybe I'll make a couple of cool videos on that. All right, I'm gonna end this one right here. Gotta click that button.